Hey folks, before you watch this video, we just want to apologize at the drunk factor. We didn't realize it until we looked at the footage, but you know, hey, it is what it is.
You good?
Yeah, I think so. I never had to apologize for being drunk like that. Hi everybody, it's John and Jane, and we are making something really good today. It's something I think the whole family will love.
I think so.
It's basically a baked spaghetti. No. It's a spaghetti. No, it's a spaghetti bake with chicken.
And cheese.
Can't go wrong with cheese.
And spaghetti.
And spaghetti. I said that.
Oh. And cheese. And spinach.
You have to put something a little healthy in there.
And onions and garlic and chicken soup.
It's got a lot of stuff in it, but basically what it is, let's just say you want to throw everything together. You can even make it the night before if you want to, but let's just make it.
The oven is preheating on 350. So we sprayed off in. Let's put this over to the side. Okay. In this bowl here we have some prepared chicken that we have already prepared.
Prepared chicken that we already prepared.
Prepared chicken we already prepared.
It's cooked.
Chicken is cooked. To the chicken, we are going to add the spinach. We are going to add.
It's about.
Well, the recipe.
I would say I'm going to put it in the.
It'll be up here.
Oh my god, you can't drink and do it. No. It's in the description box.
It's in the description box.
Okay.
Over here.
Are you okay to do that?
Yeah, I'm great. In the chicken, we're going to put the spinach.
Now this is about.
16 ounces of spinach.
Is it 16?
Yes.
Okay. I've drained it.
1 cup of spinach.
I cooked it to drain.
And cooked.
And got all the moisture out. It's very important to take the moisture out.
Squeeze it out.
Yeah.
We're going to add. They don't need to see everything.
They do need this.
No, they know we're in it.
Really?
We're going to put half of the Monterey Jack, shredded Monterey
When you
Jack
say
cheese.
half, how much?
1 cup.
So there's 2 cups in here.
There's 2 cups.
So we're going to do 1 cup.
1 cup.
That looks like that.
Give me a little more. All right, good. We're going to add 1 16 ounce container of sour cream. That's what the flavor is.
Is it really?
Oh yeah.
This is going to be the worst video to.
We're going to also put in half of the. You've got some crispy fried onions. You know the onions you buy, like a French's onion or whatever. They sell it.
The crispy fried onion.
Yeah, look in the salad. Look in the salad section.
That's half an element, not the whole thing.
No, half.
Yeah, half.
Half of that.
Okay.
And we're going to put 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. Don't get the low sodium. Get the full sodium.
Oh, gotta bleep that out.
Why you gotta bleep that out?
Can't see.
I can say
Sammy, what do you think?
After the cream of chicken, I got a special treat for what we're going to add next.
Ooh, what? I want to know.
Jane and I, we grew our own garlic.
Hold it up closer.
I grew this in my backyard. And many of you know I'm an amateur, vegetable farmer. Look at these adorable garlics I grew.
I mean, they're adorable.
They're adorable. Look at them. Look at them. We cut one of them open and we've got a clove of garlic finely chopped.
Nice.
Chopped up. And then we're going to add to this 12 ounces, which is a little bit shy of 1 package. 1 package is 16 ounces. We're going to add 12 ounces of cooked spaghetti. We're going to mix this up. And then while our spaghetti cooks, or until our spaghetti is cooked, that is nice.
Nice.
I mean, come on. You can't do that.
No.
Chicken, cheese, cream of chicken soup.
And there's spinach in there to keep it healthy.
Yeah. it's healthy.
You have some wine next to it.
All right. So anyway, I'm not going to mix it too much. I want to wait for my spaghetti to be finished. My wife never listened to this until I told her to. Always follow the cook time on the package. Okay? This is 10 minutes until al dente. You got your water boiling, your water boils, you put your pasta in, exactly 10 minutes, take it out. Don't sit there and try to taste it. Oh, it feels good, it doesn't feel good. 10 minutes. In, out.
Can I taste this to see how it tastes? Yeah, while John is checking on the spaghetti, I'm just gonna put a little salt, and this is like kosher salt. A little
Hold
fresh
on.
pepper.
Before we do anything.
I did it already.
I know. But here's what Jayne does, right? She takes the salt and she goes like this. You always put the salt in your hand first.
Okay, but it's a lot, so I know to
Right,
do
but
it.
God forbid the top blows off or whatever. Put it in your hand.
You were
It's
having
good.
such a nice day. What are you going for?
Don't buy Ronzoni. Don't buy crummy spaghetti. Get imported. Checo, Gorilla. This one, the Checo, is from where my family is from in Puglia. This is where they.
But you didn't use the whole thing. You used half?
I used 3/4.
Oh, okay.
So the Checo is a good brand of nice pasta.
What do you think, Sammy?
I love it.
And here it is, cooking.
Okay, so our spaghetti is done. We're gonna pour that right into the bowl.
Oh, I thought we put it in there.
No, it gets mixed right into there. And Jayne's gonna mix that up.
Okay, I thought it was supposed to go in the thing.
Oh, it gets all in one mix.
Yeah, you do it.
So you're gonna mix this with the spaghetti, the chicken, the sour cream, this whole mixture that
This whole thing, the whole
we've been
thing.
working on.
Oh,
I mean,
dear
you know
Lord.
that this is gonna be fantastic.
Is this gonna be a hit video or really bad? Oh, look at that.
Stir all this up, get
It's
really nice,
delicious.
nice and blended up. We've got a 9x13 pan which we've already sprayed with Pam. We're gonna kind of put that right into the pan. Just like, oh my God. I mean, you know that this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good whether you eat it hot, cold, for breakfast, for lunch. This is almost gonna make like a spaghetti pie. This is what it's gonna look like.
That's without the top.
So you're gonna take the rest of the Monterey Jack cheese that we reserved off to the side, which is about 1 cup. And you're gonna sprinkle that over the top. You're gonna kind of spread it all out, nice. Nice. And then we've got that other half of the fried onion that we didn't use. We're gonna put that on the top. And we're gonna kind of spread that out over the top. And I'm using my hands because, you know, me and Jayne are gonna eat this, nobody else. I'm not working in a restaurant here.
Doesn't matter.
Maybe I put a little bit too much of the fried onion on the inside of the mix because it looks like there could have been probably a little bit more on
Oh,
top
I tried to tell you.
to make it crush. She did try to tell me, but I didn't listen.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's in there, it's all the same.
So once that's done,
And
this,
then how long will you cook it for?
well, this is gonna go in a 350 degree oven for 45 to 50 minutes.
How long?
45 to 50 minutes.
30 to 40 minutes.
30 to 40 minutes. This is gonna go in at 350,
For 30 and 40.
30 to 40 minutes.
Mommy will take care of it. You do the salutation.
Oh, we're doing a sound check?
No, salutation.
Oh, hi everyone.
Wait, start again.
Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Stop eating the onion.
It's good.
It'll be fine. Nobody cares about the lights.
Yes, they do. Do you?
Nobody cares about
Let us know in
that.
the comments below.
The content. It's not the lights, the content. Hi everyone, John and Jayne again. Today we...
That is so lame.
I know.
Hi everyone, it's John Jayne again. Are you excited? We have another cooking segment.
Alright, start over. Cut all this out.
No, this is gonna be a good blooper.
Alright, whatever. Alright, you do the opening. It's your channel.
Okay, ready?
Alright, ready?
But it has spaghetti, which kids love. Cheese, which kids love. Spinach, which Sammy loves. And I'm gonna cut some cheese.
Spaghetti is cooking. That was
We go to bed at 9 o'clock. Right, so if you shop at our store, Nicoletti for the home.
You want to let you go off? What do you want from me?
Now before, I like this one.
Have a little piece of provolone. I gotta stir my spaghetti.
You see everything?
I see everything.